Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to begin another important grammar topic, that is determiners, chapter number 3, taken from our English practice book. Students, determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Remember, these are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. And they all come at the beginning of noun phrases. Now, what do you mean by noun phrase? A group of words with a noun as its main part. Okay. They all come at the beginning of noun phrases, and usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. Means only one determiner can be used in the single noun phrase. Now, examples of noun phrase: my pen, this ceremony, a Pepsi can, an equation, that jar, a lot of food. Here students, with pen, we have added the determiner my. Okay. Then the ceremony. With ceremony, we have added the determiner this. Then any question. Any is a determiner. Then that jar. Here that is a determiner. Okay. Then here are some examples of determiners like the, an, oh, this, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. So students, these are just some of the examples. Okay, these are just some of the examples of determiners, and we have a lot of determiners, and these are just some examples. So students, remember the words which are used before nouns to fix or define the nouns in some way or the other are called determiners. Okay, determiners are fixing words. They come before the nouns and help to identify or limit them. Now students, let's move on to the chapter number 3, determiners, worksheet number 1. Houses, big or small, do not matter. What matters is how happy you are in them. Now read the following poem on Raju's experience in houses, big and small, and discuss with your partner which house you would have liked to live in. So students, let's read it. Raju's home. Raju has a house on the mall. This house is very small, but its garden is very nice. This garden is like paradise. It has many flower beds in shades of blues and pinks and reds. These flowers with sweet and smiling face make Raju's house an attractive place. Raju had a house on ridge. That house was very big, but there was no flower, no toy. That house had little joy. Though Raju had many a friend, much time with him they didn't spend. There were many, but not a good pal. He needed friends big and small. So Raju sold that house on the ridge away to live in this house, lovely and gay. Here students, remember this, that, these, those, and, the, etc. These all are called determiners. Okay, these are called determiners. Determiners are words placed before a noun or a noun phrase. Determiners are not adjectives because they do not describe a noun. They determine a noun. Here is a list of determiners. Kinds of determiners. First one, articles. A and the. These are called articles. Then possessives. A possessive is a word that shows that a certain thing or person belongs to somebody or something. Okay. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Okay. Once these all are possessives, and we can take example like this is my stick, let me see your notebook. Okay, she forgot her purse on the table. Okay, these are possessive forms. Next, students, demonstratives. Demonstratives, students, this, that, these, those. These are called demonstratives. And students, remember that this, that, these, and those point to objects denoted by the nouns that follow them. For example, this man is a raw villager. That horse runs very fast. These mangoes are very sweet. Students, remember that this and that, this or that जो है बेटा are singular, and these and those are plural. This and these, this and these point to the objects which are near, जो आपके पास में है, which are near, while that and those point to the distant objects. Next one, students, distributives. Each, every, either, neither. Each and every. Students, each is used for two or more persons or things, that is definite. Okay, each is used for two or more persons or things, that is definite, while every is used for more than two persons or things, that is indefinite. For example, each boy must have his own book. Then every man is expected to do his best. Okay. Then students, next one, quantifiers. Some, any, no, much, more, many, most, little, a little, few, less, least, fewer. Okay, these all are called quantifiers. Next one is interrogatives, that is what, which, whose, etc. These are called interrogatives. Students, now let's begin with the worksheet number 1. During his trip to Sajanpur last week, Mr. Arya visited an amusement park with his family. This Sunday, he visited another park in Nehra, a suburb. He found a great difference. Okay, he found a great difference between the two parks. Now complete the comparison between the two parks that he makes by filling in the blanks with determiners. First one is park in Sajanpur. Here we can write down, in my summer vacation, I visited a park in Sajanpur. That park was small. There were swings and slides in it. Sid enjoyed the swings immensely. He tried each one of them. What we liked best about the park was that it was very clean and peaceful, and Nikki wants to visit the park again. Next one, students, park in Nehra. Here we can write down, this Sunday I visited a park in Nehra. It was very big. There were many swings and rides in it. All those rides were electric ones, and there were lots of food stalls. Sid liked the park for various reasons. Mrs. Arya and Nikki, however, didn't like the park because it was very crowded. Like this, students, try to complete worksheet number 1. Okay, read it once again and try to complete worksheet number 1. That's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.